Reflection on the virtues of the Buddha meditation. 1. Savasane kilese so eko sabbe nighatiya ahu susudha santano pajanancha sudaraho. The Blessed Buddha, having overcome all defilements along with past habits, has acquired an immensely pure mind, is suitable to receive innumerable offerings by devas and humans. Sabba kala gate dhamme sabbe samma sayam muni sabbha karena bhujitva eko sabbhanutam gato. The Blessed Buddha, having realized by himself all Dhamma belonging to the past, present, and the future, has become the supremely enlightened. Vipassannadi vajjahi siladi karunehi cha susumidehi sampanno ganabehi nayako. The Blessed Buddha, like the fully developed sky, is full of insight, knowledge, morality, and auspicious things to be done. Samagato subham tannam amoghavachano chaso tividhasapi lokasa nata niruvasesato. The Blessed Buddha has arrived at the supremely beautiful Nibbana, speaks meaningful correct words, has completely understood three words. Anekehi guno gahehi sabba sattamo ahu anekehi apayehi naradame dhamme sicha. The Blessed Buddha, full of virtues, such as morality, is the greatest of all beings, controlled, untamed people by various means. Eko sabbhasa lokasa sabbhatanusa sukho bhagya isariyadhinam gunanam paramonidhi. The Blessed Buddha is the unique, completely beneficial teacher for the whole world, is full of virtues such as honor, pannasa sabbha dhammesu karuna sabbha jantusu attatanam paratanam sadhika gunajetikha. The Blessed Buddha is full of wisdom regarding all matters and compassion towards all beings, which are the two principal qualities benefiting oneself and others. Dayaya parami sitva panna yatana mudhari udhari sabbadhame cha dayane cha udhari. The Blessed Buddha, in his great compassion towards all beings and his wisdom, completed the 30 perfections and crossed the ocean of samsara, realized all Dhamma, in his compassion released other beings from the ocean of samsara. Disamano pi tavassa rupakayo achintyo asadharana jnate asadharana jnanate dhammakaye khattavaka. The physical body of the Blessed One visible to the eye is inconceivable. What is to be said of this Dhamma body, which is enshrined by incomparable wisdom? It too is inconceivable. Those who practice this meditation should read other books or learn from teachers the detailed meaning of these stanzas, which have been briefly mentioned above. Chanting these stanzas will develop faith only when their meaning is known.